Did you know that our brain is designed to process visuals much more easily than other forms of information? Here are some interesting facts. Half of our brain is dedicated to the visual function, and 83% of what we learn as humans comes through visuals. Also, visuals enable us to summarize concepts into comprehensible blocks of information, making them easier to understand and process than their text-based equivalents. In fact, while we can only remember 10% of a concept 3 days after reading it, this percentage increases to 70% if we combine our learning through text with visuals. Now, imagine you can use these brain powers while studying for the CFA exam. Well, with the help of CogniVisio, you can. These pillars of visual learning and many others form the essence of the CogniVisio video development process. In creating the videos, we focused on utilizing visual learning techniques with a central objective of turning your study and preparation process into an efficient and enjoyable e-learning experience. The abstract ideas and long boring textual concepts are transformed and presented to you in the form of colorful and engaging visuals. Diagrams, comparability tables, summary graphs, and animations that allow you to easily visualize, understand, and store information in your long-term memory. Benefit from more than 3,000 minutes of digital videos and test your knowledge with thousands of practice questions that will prepare you to ace the exam. Get access to concept-focused videos that can be digested at your own pace. Anytime and anywhere. Enroll now and enjoy learning.